The XTOOL D8S is an advanced bidirectional automotive diagnostic scan tool designed to meet the rigorous demands of professional technicians and auto repair shops. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this diagnostic tool at the latest price available. The 2025 upgraded version comes packed with high-performance features including ECU coding, powerful hardware, and a new topology mapping interface, giving you clearer and more intuitive vehicle diagnostics. With an Android 10 operating system, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, and a quad-core 1.8 GHz processor, the D8S delivers blazing fast data processing and smooth multitasking. The scanner supports over 4,000 active tests, 42 plus special reset services, and real-time data export to streamline vehicle maintenance. Designed for full system diagnostics, the D8S covers everything from engine and transmission to ABS, airbags, and HVAC systems. It performs OE-level diagnostics such as reading and clearing DTCs, graphing up to 8 PIDs, retrieving ECU information, and running bidirectional active tests like injector balance, cooling fan operation, or a C-clutch actuation. These functions help pinpoint the root cause of issues, enhancing repair accuracy and reducing troubleshooting time. The D8S also supports key industry protocols like FCA AutoAuth, CAN FD and DoIP, enabling compatibility with newer Chrysler, GM, BMW, Jaguar, and Land Rover models. Its wide vehicle coverage spans more than 100,000 car types, including 12V sedans, SUVs, hybrids, and light-duty trucks. Beyond diagnostics, the XTOOL D8S excels in customization and repair solutions. Features like ECU coding allow users to reprogram modules for select brands including VW, Audi, BMW, and Ford. It also enables flashing hidden functions, such as activating comfort features or disabling unwanted alerts. The scanner supports PMI, programmable module installation, for Ford, Mazda, and Lincoln, letting you copy data between modules effortlessly. Combined with 3 years of software updates, multilingual support, and a rugged, user-friendly interface, the D8S stands out as one of the most versatile and future-ready scan tools on the market. Whether you're dealing with complex engine faults or simple resets, the XTOOL D8S empowers technicians with precise, reliable, and comprehensive diagnostics.